Tutorial 18, we're going to talk about the next feature in the sketch menu, the linear sketch pattern. There's also a sketch manipulation tool which saves times and creating copies and instances from existing sketch. Let's start sketch on top plane. Let's make a rectangle and let's make here circle. Okay, so one note, we have here the mirror and the linear pattern, but if you go to the feature, you have also the mirror and the pattern, but they are different because this one in the feature mode you are working on the solid or 3D parts, but in the sketch it's working on the 2D or sketch level. So let's activate the linear sketch pattern, and here is the x-axis is selected, the distance between the instances and the number of instances. So we selected 2 here and 10. Let's make the distance to be 20 millimeter. Increase the number of instances. So you see you are creating copies or duplicating that existing circle instead of drawing them all the time. Let's set the distance between to be 30. So when you are done, you can click OK. So again, let's try to make an instance from that direction. Let's activate the linear pattern edges. For example, let's delete this, select, so that is not able to select that direction. So now let's just here deactivate the direction 1 because we don't want it, make it 1. So now it is deactivated. Now let's make the direction 2 is the y-axis, and here the linear to pattern, clear selection and select this circle, the number of instances, so we can make 6 instances, and the spacing 20. Here we can just delete this line, need only the circle, and to change the direction you can click on that arrow, or here you can make the change the degrees, but on the arrow is easier to make that direction. So when you are done, click OK. Also you have one option down, instances to skip. So for example, you don't need all these 6, you need some of them, so you can activate instance to skip, and you notice there is point shown in that circle. So if you select that circle, so it will be skipped. So now let's make another example. Let's make the pattern to be not on the XY or in the X direction or Y direction, to be something in between. So in this case there is a angle manipulation. Let's linear sketch pattern. Let's select entities to pattern, this circle, and here you have the angle. You can set it into 30-degree angle. Let's make the instances to be 5, spacing 30. So you can flip direction there. So if the angle of 30 is not the one we need, we can make it 290. Here also you can change to the angle you want. Instances, you are done. Okay. So we showed you 3 different cases how to use the linear pattern.